In 1998, Google gave us this: a simple search box and a search button, Google search button. It changed how every human being on the planet finds information. The same search box is about to do it again, and most people have no idea it's already happened. This tiny button, two words, AI mode. Behind it, Google has connected its artificial intelligence directly into Gmail, your travels, your purchases, your entire digital life. They are calling it personal intelligence. Before we get started, it is completely up to you. Google does not have access to your private data without your explicit permission. You decide what to connect and what to keep private. And I'll show you what those choices look like. Here is what we are covering today: how to set it up, what it can do with your real data, and whether it is worth turning on. So let's get into it. To get personal intelligence working, you need two things enabled: web and app activity and search personalization. Both are off by default. Here is how you turn them on. Web and app activity lets Google connect your behavior to your account. This is what allows personal intelligence to understand your personal context. You can turn it off anytime from your Google account settings. Same process for search personalization. One click and done. Now you can connect Google Workspace, which includes Gmail. Google shows you exactly what it's asking permission to access. Connected, let's see what it can do. First test: finding tax-related emails. Watch what happens with this prompt. Generic web search results, not my personal emails. The prompt wasn't specific enough. Watch what happens when I change how I ask the question. This time I'm explicitly telling it to search my Gmail inbox. Vanguard, Charles Schwab, E-Trade, Health Insurance Marketplace, every tax-related email from every financial institution in my inbox, organized by category. TurboTax, not just that I used it, but that it integrated with all three investment accounts to auto-import tax forms for 2025 season. Great detail. Second test: healthcare related emails. Insurance enrollment status for 2026, United Healthcare, premium payment reminder, specific date and plan details, Kelsey-Seybold Clinic scheduling ticket. It knows which clinic, which portal, and what the notification means. It even found a proxy access grant, a specific person, specific date, August 2025, from a real email. Third test, what am I currently paying for? It listed the monthly payments I made, what subscriptions I have, and even offered to manage the subscription. 3 tests, 3 categories: tax, healthcare, subscriptions, all from real emails in my actual inbox. So is it worth turning on? My honest answer is yes. If your Gmail is active, personal intelligence works. The results that you just saw came from my real Gmail inbox. Real emails, real data. Google has already announced they are integrating personal intelligence into Calendar, Photos, and Drive. It's coming soon. And what's also coming soon is in our channel, we'll be covering a lot more exciting new AI topics. If you found this video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.